erase our Palestinian existence, to silence our screams, to censor our voices and to deny the world of the truth. And yesterday's media blackout was the final step in this dehumanization campaign. But no matter who goes against us, no matter how much they try to erase us, no matter what they do, Palestine will always exist so as long as we continue to resist. And if anyone thinks that they are breaking us, they don't understand how damn wrong they are. Truth and justice will prevail, and a free Palestine begins with us.